Here are the straightforward steps to remove an object from photos on your iPhone. Let's follow the steps to remove it. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Tap on the photo you want to edit and remove any object from it. Tap the Edit button at the bottom. Then, tap on the Cleanup tool at the bottom. If it's not showing, make sure your iPhone model supports this feature as listed on the screen. Wait a few seconds. You might see a Preparing Cleanup message. Then, using your finger, tap, brush, or circle what you want to remove. You can pinch to pan and zoom for better precision. In my example, I'm removing people around me and some objects from an outdoor photo. Repeat the same steps to completely remove any object from the photo. Once you're done, tap Done to save it. To undo the changes, tap Reset and try again. To revert to the original photo, reopen it in edit mode and tap Revert at the top right corner. That's it. Hope you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions.